We are at Explorance World in wonderful Boston, Massachusetts, at the wonderful Boston University.
The theme of our conference this week has been Wired to Listen. How can we use technology to listen to more voices and really make decisions with data that impact our organizations and our institutions?
When we first talked about coming to Explorance World, I thought perhaps it would be more of a luxury, and now I feel that it's a necessity. I think my favorite part of the whole process is the community of practice.
We're all centralized around kind of the main idea and thinking outside the box, and that's really inspirational and really energizing.
We're dealing with the same challenges, picking up ideas from each other and taking those back.
It's really helpful to get all those thoughts together because it gives you a much more complete picture.
I think that bringing all of these customers together is a testament to their own hunger for knowledge and growth.
It's really a family environment. You feel that everyone has been engaged and they know a lot of details about their activities and their programs.
You see the same people sort of all through the open sessions. You get a chance to interact with people and a number of sort of non-session activities that kind of bring people together.
So I've been exploring everything. I love the scavenger hunt because now it kind of forces me to go to every area and really learn about spots that I'm probably missing and not knowing that I could even do.
There's a large number of people here from Europe, from Middle East, from other areas that really expand the conversation, so it's not just a North America focused kind of event.
The amount that you learn and personally, the swag is just chef's kiss. I love it.
It's certainly something I would recommend because building that community of practice is excellent.
100% I would come back. I already plan on bringing a bunch of people with me.
We've been able to sort of disrupt the way that people have been thinking about their work. They are in control of how they interact with our solutions and the impact that they can have when they go back to their desk.